Hello and welcome to another video. Today outside it's 16 degrees Celsius, it's cloudy and a bit windy and there's the threat of rain. So typical British summer's day. Anyway, today we're going to be looking to take the Bolens HT23 for a test drive. Which I think the last time we test drove this was before we even started doing any repairs on it, when we first got it back home from picking it up. It'll be interesting to see how it drives now with all of the steering repairs and all of the other repairs that we've done on it since we got it back here. Before we go for a drive, we need to grease up the entire tractor, which whilst we've been doing repairs, we've done all of the greasing except for these two grease nipples on the front, or as you American people call them, zerks. So as soon as we've done that with the grease gun, we can go out and have a drive in this. Before we actually drive the newer HT23, we're going to take the old one out for a drive to show you kind of the comparison of engine noises, gearbox noises, and just how they drive and kind of speed and everything. And totally doesn't have anything to do with the fact that with this one here we can't get that one out. Now that we've taken that HT23 out for a drive, it's time to see if all of the repairs on this one have paid off and how well it does. The wind noise is starting to pick up a bit here, so hopefully this isn't too bad audio. But it was fun taking them for a drive, and the new HT23 did better than I thought. And driving them, they don't actually feel that different to drive, except for like sounds. The new HT23 sounds a bit different with the exhaust tone, and with the steering, it's as good as, if not a bit better than our current or our previous HT23 that we have here. And it was also fun to take them both around the edge of the field, although that grass needs cutting when it dries off. But that's it for this video. I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye!